Alright, so let's take you on an evening feeding schedule here on the farm. So, first item on feeding the animals is actually feeding the chickens. The reason being, in the evening they're usually free-ranging, so I want them out of the way. Otherwise, they will follow me into the dog coop, and the dogs can jump over the walls and eat them if they really wanted to. Here, tick, 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 tick. Here, chicken. Here, tick, 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 tick. Here, chicken. Tick, 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 tick. For stragglers. Here, tick, 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 tick. Alright, here we go. Come on, chickens. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Come on, chickens. Even the turkeys are following, even though they don't get fed down here. They're just going because they want to get some food. Now, anytime you have chickens, if you have a reasonable amount of chickens, you want to do a head count. If you just have a giant group, well, it makes it a little tough. Alright, so another count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, come on, let's go. Tick, 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 tick. There we go. Now, we have an outdoor run, and I like to throw the food outside because it clears the main area. Here's my pigeons. Hey, babies. Yeah, you want to wrestle a 50-pound turkey? Here, I really didn't want the hens in here, but we might just get mixed in. Come on, guys. Come on. They're not always the smartest. All right, let's go. Stuff your fluffy butt over it in there. Let's go. Yeah, I know. Ooh, let's see what I got. Good job, bub. I see a turkey egg. All right, you gotta move out of the way. Dump it in. Dump it in and move out so we can eat, please. There you go. All right, move out of the way.
No, I can grab a turkey egg.
Okay, grab the turkey egg. But I don't want him out, so I'm gonna have to maneuver around him. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay. All right, so there's their bucket of water. I find the turkeys, because they have such a big beak, buckets of water work a lot better for them, especially if it's hot. They can just stick their whole head in the bucket and cool off. You're already making a mess. Look, this whole area was clear. Now you're covering it full of stuff. You want this run over? You better take care of it. Thank you. This is all the crap I get to look forward to. Hey, hey, don't throw it. Come on. How do we organize it for the winter? Oh boy. This is why it takes me so long to feed the animals.
Now here's the rice.
Mom's gonna finish feeding the animals, honey. Okay. Hey, put that back. Quit taking stuff up and throwing it around. Put it back. Thank you. Alright. Now next, after feeding the chickens and the turkeys, would be feeding the horses. Yay! Oh, good job, Bob. Look at you stacking those all up. Good job. Mom's gonna have to carry that part because that's really heavy. Okay. Settle down. Come on. I know you want your own camera. It seems inconsequential, but this is literally all part of feeding. Until you start school next week. Then it will be better. Summertime, this is what I have to look forward to again. Okay. Erin's gonna put those out. Very good, Bob. Thank you. Yep. Hey, 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 hey. Settle down. It's okay. You're so mad what?
I'm so mad, and I say this. I'm so mad, and I said no, drive my way to first.
It's for the barn cats. You gotta climb up the ladder.
Up a ladder.
No, you can't climb up the ladder. Ooh, you guys are getting low on kitty food. Well, at least he's going for it. You thought I was nuts climbing up that ladder.
Oh.
Yep, that's perfect. Good job, right there. A little bit in there. That's good. A little bit in there. And some in tangos. Good job. Okay, trying to mentally center myself. He's not usually quite so wired during feeding time, but he goes to school next Monday, so he has been just crazy all week long, just nuts. You're pulling that. Are you gonna pull that out to the side by side? Wow, that's pretty heavy. That's like a 60-pound bale you're pulling. Man, you got some muscles, kid. Whoop. You got slippery shoes, huh? I can't believe he's doing that. Really? Are you gonna lift that up into the wagon too? Yeah? Man, that thing weighs more than you. Twice as much as you, actually. That'd be the equivalent of me pulling a 200-pound bale of hay in a sled. Everything around here has to be timed meticulously. Every little delay, or 4-year-old harassing me, results in animals escaping, not getting fed, going crazy. Move out, move. Move on. Let's go. All right. All right, back. There you go. Help as much as possible. Sure, I could do it sometimes faster, but you want your kids to feel validated and helping out in everyday things, because when they get older, they'll be more likely to want to help out. Put it down. There you go. Come on, you got more. Right here. Right here. There you go. Good job. Put it down. Okay, that's fine. Alright, let's go off to the next station. So I have 4 stations set up around the perimeter of the pasture. The idea is that it encourages the horses to walk around, especially Tango, because Tango has arthritis and he has a tendency to not move. Hi baby! He's a big kitty, isn't he? He's so fluffy. Where have you been? How come you're so soft? Have you been hiding in someone's house?
I think in the barn.
You gonna put him in the barn?
No, in the horse.
Smells like, hey, put him down nicely before he claws you. Darren, he does, no, you're not gonna put the cat in the horse pond. No, you're gonna get a bubble. Knock it off. Put the cat down. You don't put the cat in the horse pond. That is mean. That is mean.
What?
many of you may be horrified at the thought that my child is riding in the back of the side-by-side with no seatbelt and he's just bouncing around back there. You'll be happy to know that for long trips out to the back, he definitely rides in the front with a seatbelt because it is very bumpy.
Yeah.
The horse pasture, I know where every bump is, so I know how to be careful. If I'm off beyond the horse pasture, then I put the seatbelt on him and he rides in the front, and he knows this.
Yeah. Right.
Mom loves you, Bob. Where are the cows now? Well, cows are in their new pasture. So once the snow starts flying, I'll have to drive back here and throw them some hay, but it'll be much easier. Plus their water is closer to the spigot, so.
Run out the water.
And there they are. They run out of water. Really? I just filled that yesterday. You guys have been busy. And standard protocol around here is that I usually forget to feed at least one grouping of animals. Sometimes it's the cows, not very often the horses, but on occasion. Sometimes the dogs. Right now it's the dogs I forgot to feed. Gotta get it prepped for winter. This is probably less hay than what they normally would have, but this is what they have currently, which is like nothing. You have no hay, do you? No, I know, so excited. Okay. The dog's food out. And I know about how much each dog should be getting based off this cup and based off how skinny or fat they are. And since you're watching the video, you can see all the projects that I still have to do for winter just on the dog ends. They've been busy chewing apart their doggy doorway. And you might be saying, oh my gosh, it's because they don't have any toys. No, they have toys. Oh my gosh, it's because they're stuck in this little kennel. No, they were doing it even when they were allowed outside to run. It's just because they're boxers and they like to destroy things. That's what boxers do. And I left the door open. Okay, thank you. Now I think we're done. I will do another video when the snow is thick on the ground so you can see what it looks like when it's crazy cold out, because everything changes.